Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some teriyaki fish. So I'm gonna use some snapper. This is the white snapper, but you can use whatever fish you prefer. Okay, I already washed my fish. I wash it with lime. Okay, and I'm gonna also add some shrimp, and this is the king size shrimp, guys. I already devein it and clean it, so that's the amount that I'm gonna use, not a lot. So as you can see, I've got a bowl right there, so I'm gonna add all my seasoning. So I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. But you can always use whatever seasoning you have. And I'm also gonna add just a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, so you just want to mix it all in. But guys, remember, if you don't have all the seasons that I'm using, you can always use whatever one you have. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm gonna firstly season my fish. Then you want to rub it. Just take your time because there's a lot of bone in these fish. So you want to season from the back as well. And what I did, guys, I even cut my fish also, so the season can go right in, as you can see. And you want to make sure you put the season in this part, because you want your fish to be nice and full of flavor. So make sure you season it properly, okay? And guys, you want to make sure that your fish is pot dry. Okay, make sure there's not a lot of water coming from your fish. Make sure you dry it before you fry it. Okay, otherwise it's not gonna fry properly. So now I'm gonna season my shrimp. Just gonna add some of my seasoning on it. Then I'm gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in. Like so. It smells amazing, guys. All that seasoning, wow, smell good. So that's nicely seasoned. So these are some of my ingredients for my teriyaki sauce. So here I have a 1/4 cup of dark soya sauce, and I also have 1/4 cup of honey, this sauce, guys, tastes so good. I know it's gonna be so good. And I also gonna add at least 3 spoons of sugar, granulated sugar. You can always use the brown sugar. I'm gonna also add some sesame oil. Not a lot, guys, at least half teaspoon. And some teriyaki marinate, at least 1 spoonful, okay? And I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left. And I'm gonna also add, guys, at least a teaspoon of sesame seed. Don't need a lot. Then I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in, okay? It smells amazing. All that flavor. So this is what it look like, not too thick. So that's done and that's perfect. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys, and to my pot I add some vegetable oil. So I'm gonna fry my fish for at least 5 to 6 minutes on each side, okay? Make sure your stove is not turned up too high so your fish doesn't burn. And make sure, guys, you wait for your oil to heat up before you add your fish, okay? So now I'm gonna turn my fish. Nice and brown. That's exactly how you want it. So my fish has fried now, guys. So now I'm gonna remove it. I'm here to tell you, it looks so good. So guys, this is the same pot that I used to fry my fish. So what I did, I removed most of the oil from it and leave at least 1 spoon, okay? So now I'm gonna add some ginger and at least 3 cloves of garlic to my pot, okay? Not a lot. And you're just gonna allow it to saute for just a couple of seconds. But the ginger is gonna give it such a nice flavor, so that's why I'm adding it. So now I'm gonna add my teriyaki sauce. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add some water to my bowl. You don't need a lot, at least 3 to 4 spoons. Then you're gonna you're rinsing it. Rinse all that sugar. And I'm gonna also add some of my bottle jerk marinate just to give it some more flavor, at least a teaspoon. And you want to give it a stir, and you're just gonna allow it, guys, to come to a boil. So now that it has come to a boil, I just want to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna get thicker, guys, okay? So now I'm gonna add my fish. You're gonna take all that liquid and just pour it on your fish. And I'm gonna also add my shrimp. So guys, make sure you take your spoon and just baste all that teriyaki sauce all over on your prawns and on your fish, and I'm telling you, it looks so good. This recipe right here is a must try. So guys, I'm gonna leave it for at least 6 minutes, and make sure your stove is on a low heat, and I cover my pot as you can see. So guys, finally my teriyaki fish and shrimp is all finished, and I'm telling you, it looks so good. This recipe right here is a must try. I mean, just look at it, guys. The teriyaki sauce is all sticky and runny also, and that's exactly how you want it. Just delicious. And if you do enjoy this video, please share it to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it, guys. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. And please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, okay? You can always serve it with some rice, you know, with some salad, rice and peas, you know, whatever you prefer, some fried rice. And thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. So I'm serving my teriyaki fish and shrimp with some rice and peas, of course, and with some salad on the side. This, guys, was for my Sunday dinner, okay? And I'm telling you, it tastes absolutely delicious. This recipe is a must try. I mean, just look at it. Yum.